Hey my beauties, I'm here to go ahead and make my Queen Afua inspired womb healing, womb cleansing smoothie. I'm starting with fresh squeezed apple juice. It's also supposed to have blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cranberries. I'm not putting cranberries, so I'm using wild berries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And a pear is also supposed to be included. I'm making sure I do that. And most importantly, she said to use ginger root. So I have organic, fresh ginger root. Everything here is organic, so I can make sure that it's pesticide free and that it's as good as possible for my body. So as I fill up the pear and the apple juice first, I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside, and then I'm gonna get some fresh spring water. I love this spring water, it's my favorite. And then this is my little twist on it. I'm adding sea moss, which is so many amazing benefits, and then I'm adding bladderwrack. I'm putting 2 big heaping tablespoons of that, and I'm blending that up, and it is just so beautiful already. And then I'm ready to just pour that delicious, nutritious juice, garnishing with a fresh lime, of course. And this tastes so good. It didn't need any sweetener. It didn't need anything. It was so purifying. I felt so good afterwards. I walked the earth, as you can see, with my earthly drink, and I felt so connected to Mother Nature. I suggest you guys really try this out. Tell me how you like it.